Alright guys, so welcome back. Let's talk about Zen crypto today. So I'm going to show you how you can mint for free. It costs literally free. Okay, how you can mint on Avax, Binance, Polygon, Ethereum, and so on every single chain. Now, everybody talk about Zen for the last month. I know now the price went downhill, so that's why I'm doing this video. Now, what is Zen, how you can mint, and let's go and find out in the next few minutes. Now, before we go on, don't forget that everything what I'm saying in this video is only my personal opinion, which means I'm not giving you any financial advice. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. Now, why to buy the token when you can basically mint the token? So Zen crypto, what is Zen crypto? So the guy who finds is one of the first Google employer, okay? So Jack Lennon, basically, he is building so many things on Zen. So this is not just on Ethereum, this is on every single blockchain. We're going to explore now, okay? And we're going to mint for free so I can show you how to mint it. Now, if you want to learn more, just go to Zen. So right here, go to the zen.network, you press there, you're going to open to the website, go to the light paper. Right here on the bottom is the light paper. You can go and read the light paper. Everything is explained there, okay? So go and read it if you want to get all the information. I'm not here to give you to read the white paper. I'm here to show you how you can mint tokens for free, okay? So the good stuff here is because they're building their own chain, and it's going to build for the next 6-12 months, nobody know. However, they building very fast, and they already have a lot of projects where you're burning tokens. So the good stuff here, you can mint for free. I already load up my bags, okay? My overall price was around 0.045 right here. So I'm in minus like 15-20% right now. However, because I was buying on the way down and I got a little bit hyped and I bought on the way up, okay? And that's okay. Sometimes you DCA on the way down or you DCA on the way up. It depends what is your strategy. So if you see right here, the chart is looking terrible, okay? But check this out. Do you check this? So check this out. It was 0.0008, basically 7.5 right here, a few zeros and 7.5. Can you see this little pump right here? Okay, right here to the right. That's 11x, and that's happened in the last 30 days, when 11x, so from 0.07 something to almost 1.0 killed and one more almost killed. So 11x in 30 days. Why? Because they've been building few different projects where you can go, and to get in that project you need to sacrifice, you need to burn Zen. When you're burning Zen, it's becoming deflationary, because right now it's inflationary and will be for the next couple of years. Now, how we can get free tokens? That's the main thing. You can go and buy, or you can mint. Now remember, Zen crypto on every chain have different price. On Ethereum is the most liquidity. On every other chain at the moment they don't have a lot of liquidity. So the first one is Ethereum, next one is Polygon, next one is Avax, and next one is BSC. Everything else has very small liquidity, even BSC chain. Now if you go here to Zen and if you type, let me move my face right here, BZen, you will see that what is the price on Binance, Zen on Binance chain. You can see this is the price. You can see trading volume is 437,000 on CoinGecko. Now, right here, you will see what is the price, and you will see the price is totally different than Zen on Ethereum, where I have the most liquidity. But minting on Ethereum is freaking expensive. Ethereum has been paying in the ass for the last couple of weeks, especially with this Pepe mint coin. Now, let's go and mint some token. Now, when you open the website, you will see here you can mint to every single chain. Okay, simple as that. I'm going to mint right now on Binance chain and on Avax chain. What you need to know is if you mint, if you go here mint, okay, and you need to wait, you put your days there. The max right now is 450 days. And you claim rank and you wait, or you can go for 100 days or 10 days or 1 day. Make sure you remember you only pay the gas fee for minting and you pay the gas fee for claiming after 400 days or after 300 days. Now, the next important what you need to know is if you mint right here, you're going to use only one wallet. You cannot use any more wallets. Okay, done. However, what Jack says, why you don't mint 50 wallets or 100 wallets, and I'm going to make much easier. So you go here to Zen NFT, okay, and basically, and you mint. So you connect your wallet. Let me just connect, and then you change here BSC, and you will see I already have 100 VMU, and I'll explain you what's the mint. For 478 days, make sure you put in your calendar exactly the date so you can claim, because if you don't claim on the date, you have 7 days and your rewards going down. If you don't claim in a few days, you're going to get less rewards and maybe zero. Okay, so let's go and check how we can mint. Okay, so you go to Zen NFT, correct? And here you go to mint to the right. Make sure here you put, let me just move that. What you need to put is collector. So choose collector, and here you have the maximum VMU. VMU is virtual mining unit, which means a virtual wallet created by a smart contract. So basically right now, max what you can mint is VMU count 475 wallets, all in ones. 475. So you need to create 475 wallets so you can claim, so you can mint in different 475 different wallets. What Jack did is he create Zen NFT. So basically right here, and you pick up how many wallets, and you pick up how many days, okay, and then you mint. And you can mint as many as you want. So now what is the best strategy? That's up to you. The max days, you're getting the max tokens. So let me show you how much we're going to get today, how much we're going to spend, and how much we can get. Make sure you have money for the fees. Now, if I want to pay right now for 475 wallets, I need to pay 475 times by the fee. So if the fee is 20 cents, this is going to cost me like 90 bucks. Okay, let's see how much it's going to cost us. Let me just move my face. You go to proceed. You need to confirm on your ledger. Make sure you use a ledger. Okay, that's the main stuff. And let's see how much it's going to cost me this one for $475. So I'm going to pay 83 bucks, and that's okay. That's fair enough. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mint, okay, 100. So I'm going to mint 100 wallets, okay, and I'm going to mint 4. I want to mint 4 if I copy what was few days ago, okay, I spent 17 bucks also on Binance Chain. And if you go there and if you copy paste, today the price if I get the tokens is 160 bucks. So I spent, let's say, 16 bucks for fee, but I'm getting 160 bucks tokens. Now, this is on the price today. So what will be the price after 1.5 years? Nobody knows if the price is going to go up or if the price is going to go down. Now, this is for long hold. You know, Hex, that did 10,000x. So everybody's saying once the X1 layer came, the network X1 came, and they're all combined, all together, they saying this can explode a lot. Again, only people saying. Now, let's go and mint one on Avax. So what you need to do is very simple. You just change this one to Avax. Make sure you have some Avax. Now, I think I only have like 12-15 bucks. So let's go and see. So for 172 is the max what we can do here. Okay, make sure you go to collector. Okay, let's see how much going to cost me for 72 and how many days. I want to do exactly the same day for 365 days. Make sure more more tokens you get. Again, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. I'm going to do some update video very soon. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you mint already any tokens, if you already have any tokens, because a lot of people who went in first, they make a lot of money. Thank you and goodbye.